How to enable Amazon affiliate one link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to enable Amazon affiliate one link. For that, just simply go to the affiliateprogram.amazon.com and you will be landed to the official website of Amazon Associates, and from here you just have to go to the tools section and just click on the drop down menu and go to the one link section from the list over here, and after that just simply scroll down and you will see this option called earn globally, and right beside that just simply click on get started. And now in order to set up your Amazon affiliate one link, you just have to click on add country section from there, and you can either go ahead and select all the countries in which you want to promote the Amazon link that you will create in order to get some commission from Amazon Associates, or you can also select the countries individually in case you want to receive commission from those particular countries only. And I'm going to select all of them right here and just simply click on next. And now you can see that your operating agreement has been created with the countries that you will going to use your Amazon affiliate link, and this link will work globally, so you can earn globally as well. And after that just simply click on I accept these terms and conditions and click on submit. And as soon as you click on submit, your Amazon affiliate one link setup has been completed successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to enable Amazon affiliate one link. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.